You can any angle you can try because it's a 360.
I will try. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, okay. I'll check another. Guys, this is full broke.
What do you think? It will break or not?
No, it's not broke. Because X9b we saw. Assalamualaikum दोस्तों, कैसे आप लोग सब खैरियत से? अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। ये हमारा X9c 5G जो अनब्रेकेबल एंड वाटर रेजिस्टेंट जो बोलते हैं वो ऑलरेडी हम ट्राई किया। कुछ वीडियो आप आगे शेयर करेंगे। अभी जो ड्रॉबेज का है वो हम दिखाते हैं।
Before we have 1.5 meter. Right now we have 2 meters.
2 meters.
Yeah, and it's a 360 degree.
360 degree.
Yeah,
protection.
360 degree unbreakable. You can try with it.
So you can
With
try
a 2 meter height, you can
Like
try
that
with
or
it. You
like
can any angle you can
Any
try
angle.
because it's a
This time
360.
I will try.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. I'll check another. Guys, this is full broke.
What do you think? It will break or not?
No, it's not broke. Because X9b we saw before.
Okay.
It's very nice. Also now is the new configuration and new added the what is the new added here is the old.
This is 4 material. Before we have 3 materials in the unbreakable, but right now we have the 4.
Yeah, so it's nice, very nice, and the cheap prices.
Yes.
We can provide our customers the good phones. It's a 360 degree protection. It's not broken and not a scratch. You can see here. So everything is nice. Inshallah. Also you can see this. Check it. Mashallah. It's nice.
You can check.
Phone is still working. So if anyone is required this phone, so you can contact with the sanabilmobile phones and aperture technology. So we will provide the pre-order customer the good gift and the earbuds we will get provide. Inshallah, on all time trying to give the best.
X9c is the first device to come to the market with 360 extremely durability resistant. Okay. So we have drop resistant, water resistant, and heat and cold resistant.
Okay.
So first time, maybe in the market you can see drop resistant is normal. Water resistant also is normal.
Okay.
But heat and cold resistant, that's not normal.
Okay.
In summer in UAE, if you are using your phone for navigation or outside, just doing anything, even calls, the phone is hanging, lagging, restarting, right? So we need a phone that can survive that extreme hot. Because cold, we are not in Canada. But for heat and for high temperatures, yes, we are in UAE. So according to our numbers, the phone can extremely survive up to 55 degree plus. Positive 55 and minus 30. So we will put the phone not in 55 but 70 degree to check if the phone will really survive or not. So according to this a thermometer, so
Yeah.
to make sure that the temperature can
Yeah.
reach the point. So I will put the temperature in the water and check what is the degree of the water now. So again I'm repeating, none of the customers will do this at home, will take this and do it at home. But we are just testing how the phone will survive.
Yeah.
But for normal use, if you are sitting in a restaurant or drinking tea or coffee and your coffee filled on the phone, nothing will happen to it. This is the idea. This is the idea behind it. So for now the temperature is almost 50 plus. Now it's going to be 60. We will keep it. See the water. Record the water is boiling, almost boiling. Yeah. So for safety only, I will just remove this. And now let's keep on our X9c in boiled water. This is a phone. Huh?
Okay.
It's working phone. Okay. And I will just flip it also.
How many minutes?
How many minutes? No one will do this. We are just putting the phone in extreme scenario.
Okay.
Okay. Now, actually, to keep the situation and the scenario very tough, we will take the phone from very extreme hot to very extreme cold. Now, let's take the phone to we'll keep it for some time. Rest on. Let's stay in peace for now. So, do you think X9c is still working?
Yeah, sure.
Sure? Maybe yes, maybe no.
No.
Seeing is believing. So let's watch together. Congratulations, the phone is still working very, very super well. There is no any other issue in the phone. The best phone in the market for now, and this is Honor X9c. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
for coming and trusting Honor.